the jail cell. Bitch, I'm in that hell cell. I don't fuck with none of these lames, yeah, they are all hell. I came up in this bitch whipping hard, nigga. And you can tell I'm rich by my car, nigga. I came in racked up and I'm racked out. Jordans on my feet, Magnums on my meat, I'm swagged out. Yeah. Talking shit, on my side. Sacked up, racked up. Okay. Yeah, I'm bucking mad.
Fuck, nigga, that's that shit I don't like.
Yeah.
I think her name was Tina, so I beat it all.
Yeah!
This nigga can't even count no more, bro. I didn't hear it. Wait, a moment of silence.
I don't ever finish.
Right.
That nigga said, I heard her name was Tina, so I beat it like I'm niggas.
Oh my god, you gotta get a new beat.
So now Dwight's in there by himself? Now he about to be miserable for the rest of the day?
Y'all trying to go to IHOP, get them free pancakes?
Shut yo.
I'm going just like this.
What's your name?
Wop.
I bet she knows my fucking
Well, yeah, I
name.
fucks with Jessica.
Like, no, for real. I'm gonna go to IHOP right now.
Real talk, I want a pancake.
y'all,
I'm
this
gonna give him all
look
my quarters.
Fuck yeah.
Oh shit!
Nigga, you like a
I'm
dog.
gonna give him all my quarters.
I heard that was
With the ears, bro. I like a doggy.
So I
You
guess
like
it
a
is
dog with